Last summer, I had a wonderful trip to Paris with my family. It was my first time visiting France, and I was very excited. Paris is a beautiful city with many famous places to see. But the place I wanted to visit the most was the Eiffel Tower. I had seen it many times in pictures, books and movies, but I always dreamed of seeing it in real life. On a sunny morning, we woke up early in our hotel. We ate breakfast and got ready. I wore comfortable clothes and carried my camera. After breakfast, we took the metro to go to the Eiffel Tower. The metro in Paris is very fast and easy to use. After a short ride, we arrived near the tower. When I came out of the station, I looked up and saw it. I was so amazed. The Eiffel Tower was much taller and more beautiful than I imagined. We walked closer and joined the crowd of people. There were many tourists from different countries. Some were taking photos, some were eating snacks, and others were standing in line to go up the tower. I felt very happy to be there. The tower looked huge when I stood under it. I had to look up very high to see the top. We waited in line and then bought tickets to go up. We took the elevator to the second floor. As we went up, I felt a little nervous but also very excited. From the second floor, we could see the city of Paris. The view was amazing. I saw the River Seine, the streets, the buildings, and the parks. Everything looked so small from up there. Then we took another elevator to go to the very top of the tower. When we reached the top, I couldn't believe my eyes. The view was even more beautiful. The sky was blue, the sun was shining, and the wind was soft. I took many pictures and enjoyed the moment. I felt like I was on top of the world. We stayed at the top for a while, looking at the city from different angles. Then we came back down. Before we left, I bought a small souvenir from the shop, a tiny Eiffel Tower keychain. I still keep it in my room to remember that special day. After visiting the tower, we sat in a park nearby and ate some sandwiches. We relaxed and talked about how amazing the Eiffel Tower was. I felt very lucky and thankful to see such a wonderful place. That day was one of the best days of my life. Going to the Eiffel Tower was a dream come true. I will never forget the beauty of Paris and the feeling of standing high above the city. It was truly a special day for me.